How to fix Hogwarts Legacy crashing. 1. Update graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Disable unnecessary background processes with WTM. 3. Run the Hogwarts Legacy.exe as an administrator. 4. Verify the game files in Steam. 5. Clean boot your Windows. And set the paging file size to system's default. 6. Disable ray tracing. To do this, open the game user settings file at %localapp.a%/Hogwarts Legacy/config Windows no editor. Then apply following settings: B enable ray tracing shadows equals false, B enable ray tracing reflections equals false, B enable ray tracing AO equals false. 7. Disable overclocking on your GPU. 8. Enable/disable VSync. 8.1 in NVIDIA, turn off VSync, vertical sync, in Onage 3D settings. 8.2 in AMD, change the value for wait for virtual refresh. 9. Lower in-game graphics. 9.1. Reflex low latency, on. 9.2 motion blur, depth of field, chromatic aberration, film grain, off. 9.3 windowed mode, full screen. 10. Download the latest version of the ActX. 11. Disable Control Flow Guard, CFG, in Windows Security. 12. Uninstall then reinstall the game.